Hi everyone. Today I am so glad to find this opportunity to teach you how to introduce yourself. Please try to repeat after me. My name is Carrie. My name is. My name is. My name is Carrie. I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. I am American. I am American. I am American. I am from California. I am from. I am from California. I live in New York. I live in New York. I go to PH Primary School. I go to PH Primary School. I am in 6th grade. I am in 6th grade. My daddy's name is Scatterhang. My daddy's name is Scatterhang. My mommy's name is Curdy. My mommy's name is Curdy. My mommy's name is Curdy. I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. I have 1 sister. I have 1 sister. I have 1 sister. My favorite food is rice and beans. My favorite food is rice and beans. My favorite food is rice and beans. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is. My favorite color is blue. My favorite sport is football. My favorite sport is football. My favorite sport is football. My dream is to become a doctor. My dream is to become a doctor. Doctor. My dream is to become a doctor. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel so you can receive our new videos.